Okay, welcome guys. I only have 5 minutes with you in this video. In the previous video, we talked about what MetaTrader 5 is. Okay, so in this one video, I want to talk about how to place an order, how to buy, and how to sell. Okay, this is a course. It's actually a free course on my website about forex trading. All the topics are there, and the 100% free certificates are free. Learning is also free. If you're watching this from YouTube, click the link in the description and register for this course and start learning right away online. It's 100% free. Okay, there's nothing to lose and learn at your own pace anywhere you are. Okay, this is Keith Renz, so let's begin now. So in this video to talk about how to place an order, how to sell, and how to buy. Okay, okay. So once I open up your screen to look something like this. Okay, um, okay. This is now full screen. By the way, these are volatility indices. Okay, and by binary. Okay, as far as I said earlier on that the purpose of any business is to make profit. Even in forex, the purpose is to make profit. As I said earlier on that forex is the buying and selling of currencies. Not only currencies, also can also trade commodities like gold, silver, and so on, and other things. Yeah. And when do we buy? We buy when something has a low value, and when it gains value, we sell. The difference is profit. If you do the opposite, you'll make a loss. Okay. So, for example, um, let me exit full screen. Okay, let me just do this a little bit. Okay, um, okay. So as you can see, this is an uptrend. Uh, this is a downtrend, and this is an uptrend, and this is a downtrend, and and this and this is resistance. Oh, this is support. The down part is support. Then the upper part is resistance. Okay, if you want, you can also use indicators. I said earlier on that all indicators works, a matter of choosing which works best for you. Okay, so you can use indicators to predict what will happen in the future, or you can use based on candlesticks patterns or by your own thinking. Just okay. So as you can see here, let's make it simple. Here it was an uptrend, and now it's a downtrend. As you can see, it's going down. And if you look at the stochastic, this one is actually down, down, down. As I said the earlier on that everything that goes up surely comes down, and everything that goes down will surely come up. So as you can see, this won't keep on going, 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 going down. No, it will start rising, eventually going up. So if you want here where it is right now, you can place a buy. Why should we place a buy here? Okay. Why should you place a buy there? Because it's in the lowest. And as I said the earlier, you buy when it's low, you sell when it's high. So for example, here where it is here, when when we buy and the value raises up to here, then we decide to sell, we're going to make enough some good profit. Okay, we're going to make some good profit. Now if you decide to sell here, then when you buy when it's here, then you're going to make a loss. So how do you enter a trade? How do you make an order? Okay, I'm in a demo account here. Okay, so no need to worry about anything. Okay, okay. So before that, I'm also talk about the lot size. I don't know how I can explain this lot size, but all I have to know is that the bigger the lot size, the the bigger the amount you can make and the bigger the loss you can make. So the smaller the lot size, the small amount you can make and the lesser the loss you can make. So that's the simplest definition I can uh, want you to know. Okay, let me try to put that. So if you want to, let's say you want to put a buy, since it's in the lowest, you just have to click buy. Okay, so like you can just put one. Okay, okay, so looks like the minimum can put is one there. I'm not sure why it's not clicking. Let me try 0.5.